when we build our house, like this.
Yeah.
That'd be dope.
Pool is amazing.
The infinity pool moment. Ooh, bitch, have you been to Cancun?
No, but like
I want to go.
Let's go.
I just canceled my Cancun trip. I'm like, I want to go again.
Why?
Because all this, it started becoming too much. Like planning, moving.
Well,
Okay.
Let's go to Baja Fest first, because that's next month, I think.
Very much those vibes. Very much those vibes. All right, I'm gonna wait for people to jump on. Hello, good morning. He likes anything as long as there's alcohol. Yeah. As long as there's alcohol, he loves it.
Yeah.
She doesn't use her Instagram that much though. That's why.
I don't use it.
What's the Facebook one?
Look at my little baby hairs. Ryan be pulling my hair, and now I have no hair. He's like,
are you sure you didn't break that off? Cut it off?
probably.
Lit it off with the fire?
I don't have Snapchat, my friends. Snapchat don't
The fire
pay.
keeps getting closer. Like it's gonna blow my hair up. It's gonna be in flames for real.
We got Rihanna in the building. Rihanna's sister. She just had a baby. Bianca is here. Say hi, good morning. We got our drink. I encourage us to drink this because baby
We
girl.
haven't eaten anything, you guys.
And how strong is this? Stronger than
Literally
all of our
strong as fuck.
relationships.
Stronger than any one relationship in this bitch.
He's like, what?
Fire!
Yeah, this one's strong.
I'm about to get fucking con fire.
Y'all come around to this side.
It
Oh
melted her cup.
shit, the cup is melted.
You eating carcinogens.
Oh,
I don't know
no.
what that means, but- I said you're eating. Oh, I thought he was talking to me.
I said, we were yelling at him, yelling it to him. I said,
Bitch, it's so cold up in this bitch.
We need some sausage up in here.
Mhm.
Fire, I mean.
I'm like, get the weenies. I'm like, get the weenies. Bring out the weenies.
The
Bring out the wieners. It's real about roast. I'm just gonna.
Like, I don't want to think about.
We finally got out of the house, so I'm just like, okay, let's get a little drink in us, and then I'm gonna take this
Not
girl
good.
to Deep Ellum. Even though you guys have been threatening us not to go to Deep Ellum, we're going to Deep Ellum
The bartender recommended it, so
instantly. I was like, where do we go? And she's like, Deep Ellum, and I was like, what did I say?
I was like, I'm scared.
I'm scaredy. Downtown, my city, baby. Baby, your city has a lot of holes in the floor.
Holes in the road. We
were like, boom. I was like, oh shit.
It was like, what the fuck is going on?
Yeah, and nobody stops here for the stop signs. I didn't see not one person stop. I'm like,
You're like,
damn.
you stop, please. I know you know how to stop sign, but please stop.
Ugh. This is so strong. It makes
She
me want to
literally
do a
made it
face.
hot.
What? My goodness.
It
I'm like,
is.
what?
We have no food in our
he's
systems.
too cold.
You know what's
He's
gonna
so
happen to us?
he's cold.
He just
That's
wants
why
to
he's
take a
like,
picture.
drink
He
it.
just wants to.
We got ruffles in
He just wants some videos so that he could.
You damn right.
What is it called? Blackmail us.
Blackmail people?
He's gonna show us, and that's blackmailing enough for me. He's like, look what you did last night.
Look at you.
Don't show me,
Look
sir.
at
I
you.
don't care what I
He'll
did.
tell us.
If I don't remember, it didn't happen.
Yeah.
No, they said not to go to Deep Ellum because
They said there's a lot of crime.
there's a lot of crimes. I'm like, bitch, we are the crime. I'm just
We
kidding.
are committing the crime.
I'm
Just kidding.
or am I? Remember? Or am I kidding? No, we gonna be out there committing crimes. I guess
We are
shots.
the crime.
Dallas is the best pool. I know. Look at this fucking view, friends. We're gonna about
So
to go in the pool. Are you guys down?
No,
Oh, hello, stranger.
Well, it's probably
Oh,
warm,
hello,
actually.
stranger. Bust down, Tatiano. Bust down,
The
Tatiano.
pool that I got thrown in was warm.
Oh, in
Thank
California.
God.
Oh my
Yeah.
God, the fires of love are in here.
The flames. Careful
The
with your
flames.
weave, girl.
Careful with your weave, girl.
He's gonna go on playing.
Show them. Show them how long. Listen, it's long. Girl.
Bitch, be careful with the goddamn flame.
Hold on, let me record.
Exactly what I'm saying. She
I'm
goes,
like, let me get the tips. I just girl, baby girl. I'm like, this thing is long.
gonna be buying
Tiene
a
una
new
cola. I'm like,
You
ooh.
said that you're gonna be buying a new one.
It's gonna be stuck. If you find
For
red
financial hair?
red hair in your butt crack, like I know the feeling.
I know.
When my hair was long, I
Yeah,
would
you,
find
like, pull out your
fucking
ass crack.
hair out of my ass crack. Like, you don't tell me you didn't go through that shit. And if you didn't,
Everyone pulled the hair out of their ass crack and their throat.
Danielle said 99 stars. I got 99 stars. That's a fucking awesome number there. I should wear a ring, right? Okay. Huh? I'm like,
Try
huh?
again.
Ugh, these things are so strong. It's not fun. It's not fun out here.
So gross.
Don't go to Deep Ellum. Someone just got shot the other night, but
Look
not
at
tonight,
his
right?
face. I can see his face
But
from how
not
strong the
tonight.
drink
I
is.
know. Yeah, drink that shit, baby. A ver,
It's
solo,
strong,
solo,
huh?
solo. Tubo, solo. Let me see.
I seen his face. It was stank face.
Stink face.
Yeah, it was a very stink face. Ugh.
Oh, Lola,
Look,
we
he
gotta
turns
check
around.
ours.
He's
Did you
turning
just
around.
check his?
Yeah.
Oh, no. No, it's full. It's still got. Slurp it a little bit more.
Yeah, I think I see a little. I think I see a little.
Men don't slurp nothing. He just did. They do slurp.
And they do, like the TikTok. And I do.
Okay,
Come
Lola,
on, My
let's
Little
go.
Pony. I
We
know
can
this is
go
gonna
to
be
Deep
My Little
Ellum.
Pony. Oh, thank you guys so
We
much for
gotta
the
find
stars.
food. That's all I know.
Oh hell yeah! The Deep Ellum has like hot dogs, street tacos, and everything too.
Tacos. We gotta get tacos.
Street tacos.
Ooh.
Thank you so much, Maria, for the 1,000 stars. Thank you, my loves.
We down for
You
those
and Dallas, drinks stay strong. Ooh, they say they stay strong,
Bitch,
bitch.
I gotta be up by 11 at least. Let me see what time he lands.
They better
So I can
stop.
make sure I'm
Quit
alive.
playing. I know. We're gonna drop our location now so people know that we were here. I'm just kidding. Don't scare us. I've been to Deep Ellum, but it was like 2 years ago. But I feel like, girl, we got it. We got it. Uptown is fun. Chelly and Rosalie are gonna meet us later on, but I know they have to pick up Dora, and I know they have to pick up Gabe, and I know they have to pick up Maria. So they're gonna probably meet us a little bit after.
It's hot.
It is hot. I'm like,
And
this
then
is
we gotta
this
go
is.
pick up tacos.
Can y'all lift
And
this way real
burritos.
quick? Oh, no.
All right.
Huh?
Oh no.
Bro,
Huh?
you know me.
Ready, set.
I love burritos.
Did I do it? Did we do it?
Did we get it?
Around and throwing up instantly from the drink. Hell yeah! I wouldn't turn the camera. I just show you.
I hope I throw up.
You're like, I want to get the flat fat. I
Yeah.
kind of like to.
No,
Oh my god.
No, that's my goal. Like, if I'm gonna drink, I might as well throw up everything that I ate that whole goddamn day, and then I'm good to go.
And the next morning you wake up
And
and
I'm
I'm
like,
sad.
I'm like, damn, girl.
You're like,
you
oh,
slim.
oh, damn it. You slim.
I'm like,
You slim thick. You slim thick.
No, dead ass.
They're like,
I'm
what
like,
do
did
you do?
if I don't remember, I'll be like, did I throw up? No, I guess. I'm like,
If one of y'all throw up, I'm gonna take a picture of the throw up and post it and make them guess which one of y'all fucking up.
Oh.
woo!
Oh, wow.
Throw up
And then we
guessing
show our
game.
stomach and be like, okay, who's flatter than flat, right? Who threw the fuck up?
Be like, yeah, we'll have to
I'm
look
gonna
at
be
our
like,
stomachs. Yeah, okay, I feel extra flat, so I know that was me.
I'm like, I think it was me. We're
I
all.
was supposed to starve myself until tomorrow, but
Oh, fuck, it's hot,
late.
friend. Damn.
I ate like at 8.
We're gonna throw
9
up.
this morning.
One of us might throw up, and you guys will guess who was that threw
No,
up.
trust me, I can
The
get
most
my drink
beautiful
down.
eyes. Oh no.
Lola,
What?
he said that I'm gonna regret. I said he don't know about my drinking. My drink.
We don't know, friend. You have to tell us. Tell us everything. Michael, tell us.
Actually, no, I haven't been drinking as much, so yeah, I should be scared.
What? When's the last time you got crazy? Like a drunk
last time
story.
I was in Texas. Last time I was here in Dallas. Blacked out, threw up all over my cousin's car, threw up all over Gabe, threw up all over my cousin and his wife.
So Texas.
It was right after my breakup, so it was very much appropriate.
Very much appropriate.
But then I was
Very
that's the
much
last time,
appropriate.
though, which
Yeah.
was I think it's been a month almost. It's been a month. It was at Sunset.
XTC? Is that
I
ecstasy? Is
remember
it a
being
strip
there
club?
for 10 minutes and then I blacked out because everybody was trying to pour vodka down my throat.
Right behind y'all.
Huh?
Right there.
What?
See the star on the building?
Oh yeah, that's the
Big
police
ass police
station.
Oh wow. Good morning.
I'm gonna stop.
I like how
They
you
said-
spot that out.
He did.
I like how you spot that out.
Okay, well if you can't find us tonight, we're gonna be in there. Ah.
No, we cannot be in there.
I'm like, somebody help us. We're
Bail us out before 5 at least.
please with the 1, 2. I'm like, send us stars just in case. I'm just kidding.
In case we get arrested.
Regardless, they gotta get us by Friday. I'm not spending the weekend.
Yes.
They gotta get us by Friday.
Yeah.
Rosalie and Chelly and Gabe and everybody's gonna meet us later. But there's so many people getting dropped off at the airport in different times, so we're kind of just all trying to do our best in the situation. We struggled at the airport. Bianca struggled. It's fucking windy as fuck.
Yeah,
No
I was
one
waiting
told
forever
us.
for my goddamn Uber. I was like,
Us.
Hey, be careful with y'all Ubers.
Yeah, my Uber. Was,
Why?
yeah,
My Uber was
they
so
be like,
nice.
they're like, yeah,
No,
come
our
to
Uber was wrong.
my Uber
My Uber was drunk.
went above and beyond. He like literally, he even walked my bag up to the door.
Oh wow.
He
She
was
got the
so
guy.
sweet.
Oh wow.
Like,
he
and then he even
was so
was like,
sweet.
"Oh, if you know where we're going, like if you know any shortcuts, let me know." And I was like, "Oh no, I don't even know where we're going, so just go."
So just
We
go.
almost died. Our Uber backed up on the freeway. On the
Stop!
yeah, we almost died.
I thought
He did not want to pass the fucking. He was drunk.
And
There's no way somebody
ours fell asleep.
about to be dead.
And then his
Dead as
whole
hell.
car was all beat up and like broken. I was like, my seat was going like this, like a rocking chair. I was like, oh hell no, this is not even secure.
Girl.
We should have been there like 38 minutes ago, but we didn't make it. What? Like I want to say good 45 minutes.
My guy made it in the time that like it said.
that.
Like,
Oh fuck,
yeah.
no.
And
Dude,
he even was asking
tomorrow's
me,
gonna be
because you know if you
cold.
live somewhere, you
Well,
know how
it's
to
an
get
inside
there
event.
faster.
It's an inside
He
event
asked
except
me,
the
he's like,
food.
if you know like a way
But
to get
it's
there
an inside
faster, let
event,
me
so-
know. And I was like, oh, I don't.
Nope.
We can close down the patio if you guys don't mind.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Sounds good.
We gotta go to
No problem. Oh, this fire is intense.
Below him, and he
Let me
never
go.
drinking. Below him.
What? Who said what? He's drunk off association, not the association.
You got it, friend?
Yes.
Drop it low, girl. Drop it low.
Me falling in the pool on purpose? I'm just kidding. Wait, whose drink is that? Oh, that's already finished. Oh, babe, I'm sorry. That drink. Nobody cleans up. Baby, clean up your drink out. What the hell? All right, I'm gonna check this because I have to go whistle.
Well, we need to get food in us, or this is not gonna be a good night.
Just one more drink. I mean, not one more drink. Let's finish that drink. Let's go get food.
Hola.
Lola.
I don't believe you.
Thank you, friend.
Hold on.
You have to chug it.
This is so strong.
I know. Just go ham. Oh, you can take it all the way down. She doesn't want to. She wants to do it here in front of you. She wants to do it in front of you. She wants to impress you. It's strong. Okay, there.
We should pee before we leave.
Oh, there's a bathroom right there. I have to go too.
Okay, we're gonna
There's a
pee.
bathroom really quick.
We're gonna pee on live.
should be over there.
Thank you.
Wait, what?
No, deadass, I bring him with me. And last time there was a long line for the girls' bathroom. I went in the men's restroom with my live. And I was like,
restroom too.
oh, hi, good morning. Is this one taken? All right. Don't look. And if you're going to look, send me stars, okay?
Oh my god. Eat my pants loose.
Pants loops.
Oh fuck, I gotta put this bitch. Just kidding.
Oh no, me having a whole body thing. I have to take this down. Evelyn, you're gonna have to take that because I have a whole body. So I'm all naked.
Oh, hi. Good morning. If you see ass, mind your motherfucking business. No, just kidding. They's in the potty. Bianca is a shit. What they say to you guys about being on the... Oh, they're closing already. All the beauties. Lola, hello, girl. Good morning.
Girl, you haven't unzipped yourself?
No, I just did right now though. Jesus Christ, that was scary.
We just took a shot.
And why are they talking to us about it? I'm gonna do it tonight. I'll send you a picture.
Hi, good morning. Hi, good morning. Are y'all ready for tomorrow? Don't be fake. Y'all better come through. Hello, hello.
Napkin. I'm just gonna whack it on my pants.
You're so close yet so far. I love watching you, senoritas. I love it when you call me senorita. Not her phone being on the red. Yes, we're in Dallas. It is 10:35. Hi, sister. We is taking a potty break. What day is? What time is it there? 10:35.
Live?
Yeah. Live? Right here.
Oh, right here. Can you clip it? Yeah.
Holler.
There's a sandwich right here.
Thank y'all so much. We is fighting in the restroom. We're about to go eat, you guys. It's late, but
Make it alive. We're just gonna go drink. Yeah. No, but we need food.
No one's gonna feed us. I'm just kidding.
she's not. No one's gonna feed us.
No, every time you. And then we come over and we go to all of them. He wants to drop him off at the house to sleep and then we'll go to the mall. Yeah.
Good morning.
That would be good, right? Because I think he might want to take a nap for a little bit, so I'll be like, you know, we're gonna take you to the house, take a nap. I hate when men do that. I feel like I have to hurry. I do. I'm like, we'll see. I'll ask him.
Okay. You never went shopping with him?
Oh yeah, I've been shopping with him while he shops, not while I shop though.
Oh, okay. Oh, excuse me. I'm burping like a man.
Oh wait, it's over there. One star. To the lobby. She made.
You guys are not gonna believe it. My phone's about to die.
No, what? My nail got in the way.
Or you had one job, push the button, and you missed it.
My nail got in the way.
Let me see what they're saying. My phone's about to die. That's what I have to tell you guys.
Your phone
Sorry.
always spinning down.
Sorry.
She needs a charger like Rosalie in her purse.
Well, I got my phone. I charged it. When we get to our next destination.
I don't use it.
You know what I put here?
This way. You know where Deep Ellum is? Is it deep?
Okay. I'm gonna charge my phone in the car and then I'll be back live in the motherfucking deep Ellum. In the deep Ellums. Not the deep Ellums. Ah, we're going to deep Ellums, we don't care. Oh sorry. Okay. No, Evelyn is part of my team. Anna is part of my team as well. Bianca, I'm pretty sure you guys know fucking Bianca. But if you don't know her, if you don't know Bianca, she also does makeup on live videos, everything, all the above, all the above. And then our husbands are right there, all of our husbands. Ryan is all of our husbands tonight. Cute. Oh shit. And we are homeless. I'm just kidding. I'm like, we don't know where to go. We don't have a tourist.
We don't know where we had asked the lady at the thing.
But next time when we come out here, we need one of you guys that knows
tourist.
Dallas to show us around.
Not my cousin living here.
Up my nose.
Probably.
I'm gonna be high off your energy because your spit went up my nose. Oh shit. All right, I will be right back.
Who got the keys?
No, I don't mind. I don't mind anything. All right, bye.